welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Rosie. So here we are, I'm going to now do my second build. Following on from my previous video, I'm following the space theme, which I believe I'm now making the Space Shuttle code number 60226. This looks like it's going to be fun to build, so I'm going to open up the box and get building. I've now completed instructions book 1, and the contents of book 1 were a moon buggy, a little spaceman or lady, a little drone, I hope everyone can see that, it's quite small, and some form of drop box. So now I'm going to start on book 2. Bottom bit of the shuttle. It was a reasonably easy build. Some bits were a bit fiddly, and now I'm going to move on to book 3, which I'm hoping is the top half of the shuttle, and then there's not much more to do. Here we have my completed space shuttle set. It was a nice set to build. I picked this set because I liked the picture on the box, but it's got some nice little nifty bits with it, which I'll show you now. If you lift off the lid of the cockpit, you got the little guy in the middle, which you might remember me building earlier on in the video, and then you can undo the back bits here. We've got the little space guy and the drop box. I hope I can see that, and then this bit here just clicks up together, and these wing bits come back down, and there we go. There is my completed space shuttle. Some cool wheels on the bottom, and here we have the little extras that came with it. We have the moon buggy and the drone already built, ready to go. Sadly, this is now my space themed set complete until I can go and find hopefully some more. I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now I know my husband is desperate to join me. He quite likes building Lego. So watch this space, and on the next video hopefully we'll have him build some Lego. Thank you.